Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find wallpaper settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find wallpaper settings as you see here, and here you can manage your wallpaper settings on your account on Instagram, on TikTok as you want. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.